that whether we walk out or whether there's no quorum, we're fighting for the truth. So the question is, what is the truth and how do we get to the truth? So pag sinabing, eto totoo, si XYZ ang guilty sa flood control. Sinabi naman ng kabilang grupo, hindi, si ABC. Malay nyo po, in the end, it's not A, but it's B and C. And it's not XYZ, but it's Y and Z. And then kasama si W. So, the hearing, maging po hearing yan sa Ombudsman, sa DOJ, or Blue Ribbon Committee, are instruments to get there. But it is human instruments, kaya hindi siya perfect. So, dun sa nagsasabing magtrabaho tayo, we agree. Yung nagsasabing na delay ang trabaho, we disagree na yung bagong majority. We point to all of us, including the minority. You have the wrong priorities. The last Blue Ribbon hearing was in January. And from January to present, there have been a lot of developments. The last time we heard from DBM, DOJ, DPWH, many agencies, umiba-iba na po ang mga statistics na binibigay sa atin. For example, nung unang privilege speech ni Senator Lacson, ang sabi niya, ilang daan yun na ghost project. And then lumiit na lumiit. DPWH, I think, confirmed this until now, did not come out with the actual numbers when I suggested, even last year sa budget hearing, utusan lahat ng district engineer, una ng picture ang project, kung zero yung project at bayad na, edi ghost yun. Kung meron project, edi hindi ghost yun, pero baka substandard, meaning, may project pero hindi tama yung pagkagawa. So we have to sort out all of these facts kasi garbage in is garbage out. When we talk about the law, you have to have the facts that you will apply the law to. So, ang question, sabi ayaw pigilan yung Blue Ribbon Committee. Pero before magpalitan, ang punteriya ay partial report. So, nasabi ko na po ito mismo sa Senado. Impartial, not partial. So, partial report doesn't mean na pumapabor kay kanino, but it means kalahati pa lang to, o 1/3, or 60%, 70%. Mahirap magbigay ng partial report kung meron kang additional information that is already available. At sa katulad nitong flood control na lahat nagtuturuan, lahat pwedeng maputikan, napaka-importante na ipakita na tatapusin natin to na buong buo. So, madalas namin pag-usapan sa minority noon at majority ngayon. Bakit kapag ka isang senador na kalaban nila, kalaban ng Malacanang, kalaban nung 11 ngayon, pagka meron pong sinabit na amendment, yun po daw ay insertion. Pero pag sa kanila, amendment daw po iyon. Pagka sa minority po, ang sinasabi, huwag kayo mag-attend ng hearing or mag-inhibit kasi nabanggit kayo. Pero pag sila, bawal banggitin. So it's the first time again that we will have a hearing that we will be inviting different guests and they will be free to talk. Does that mean that everything they say is 100% true? No. That's why we will test that with cross-examination. But we have to hear out people and follow the evidence. No? So ulitin ko po, we're talking about the truth. For so long, ang pinag-uusapan yung impeachment ng Vice President of the Philippines, Sara Duterte. Yung